Okay, with all the information that you have learned, you should be able to do a question like this when you find it in your exam question. It will normally say solve for the unknown variables simultaneously, right? This means that you must find both the value of x and y when you are done with the entire equation. So what this means is that you need to find a method that will help you to solve the two values. So the method I like to use is substitution. What substitution means is that we're going to take an equation and isolate it. You see, like x here, x is said to be equal to 2y. So what I'm gonna write, I'm gonna put the other equation, x squared, right, minus 5xy, right, plus 24, that is equal to 0. But where I see x, I'm gonna replace it with 2y. So I'm gonna say 2y squared minus 5 open bracket 2y multiplied by y, right, and then plus 24 equals 0, right? Okay, then I was supposed to put this into bracket, then I take the exponent and I multiply it into the bracket. Please do not forget to do that, right? Otherwise your equation will come out wrong. That's very important right here to remember, right? So we're just going to skip a line here. We're going to say 4y squared is our final answer, minus 2 times 5 is 10, y times y is y squared, right? So what I did, I multiplied this here, then I said 10y times y, which gives me y squared, then y squared plus 24, then that's equal to 0, right? So 4y squared minus 10y squared is 6y squared. So we were here, then we came here, now we're going there. So I just want to move the page down, a bit, so I can be able to write a bit more clearly. Okay, so we said 4 minus 10 is negative 6y squared, right? Then we're gonna say that's equal to negative 24. Send the 24 right to the other side. Then I'm gonna divide both sides by minus 6. Then we're gonna say y squared is equal to, what is 24 divided by 6? Don't need to crack your head there. 24 divided by 6 is equal to 4, right? And then what is the square root? What is the square root of 4? That is 2. So our answer is y equals the square root of 4, which is equal to 2. Right, we now solved for y, right? So normally there should be 2 equations, 2 answers for y. So every time when you do that square root, just also remember to add plus or minus, right? So y can also equal to negative 2. And then if we come here and we remember that x is equal to 2y, we can say x equals 2 open bracket times 2. So 2 times 2 is 4, right? But x also equals 2 open bracket minus 2, right? X could also equal to -4, right? And now you have solved your two equations simultaneously.